Hi there, this is Heidi from Accountability in EdTech, and welcome to this video of getting started with the Google Drive, which allows you to keep and organize your work all in one place. So let's get started. I'm here working within the Chrome browser. I have google.com as my starting point. It shows that I'm logged in with my account. And then right next to that, I'm going to click on Google Apps, then select Drive. Okay. This brings me directly to my drive, and within my drive you can see that I've created multiple folders. I've also dragged in a PDF, I've created some docs, some slides, and some sheets, and I'm able to take these files and drag them into folders if need be. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to create a folder. In your top left corner you're going to select New, then Folder, and now give your folder a name. I'll do Google Drive Demo and select Create. Okay, so you can see here I have my folder. If I right click within this space, I have some options here to share it possibly, move it, star it, rename it, give it a color, view the details, download, or even remove it. I'll give it a color just so I can see it easily. Okay. And now when I double click on that folder, I'm going to start creating some documents within there. So go back to the top left, select New, and maybe I'm going to create a Google Doc and choose a blank document. Okay, I'll type in some information, project number 1 for the week of April 20th. Okay. On the top left, you want to give your document a name. If you click in this area, it will populate with what you have written or typed on the document, but you always have the ability to rename it if you'd like to. Okay. So I'm going to get out of this, and now you'll see that that document is right within the folder. Okay. I also have the choice of dragging in other files from the outside. So if I click on that file, I can drag it right into the drive. Okay, and then start organizing all of my files within that folder. I'm going to go back to my drive and show you how to share this folder. And as you can see on these other folders, you'll see a person on there that's saying that it's shared with others. But if I right click on it, you also have the option up here. And I'm just going to click Share. I can type in the names or email addresses. And then you'll want to click on this arrow and decide what you want the participants to do with that folder. So organize, add, and edit, or view only. Okay, and once you have those names in there, you select Done. You also have the option of sharing a link. So Get Shareable Link, if I click on that. Again, decide what you want those participants to do with it, can edit or can view. I'll just leave it as can view if I was sharing this folder and all the documents within it with a class. I will copy the link, and then I will paste that link maybe in the Google Classroom or share it in an email. Okay, so that's the basics of getting started with the Google Drive. Thanks for watching.